Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw SharkyBot, a fan-made smiling critter. So first let's get started in the center towards the top. And we're going to start by drawing in a curved line that arches up in the center and down on the right. For the top of the cheeks now, we're going to curve this line up on the right hand side. And then we're just going to do the same thing over on the left. From here we're going to curve this line out now. So in the corner here we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle, blending that in. Let's draw in the nostrils now. So on either side, we're just going to curve this line up and over on both sides. And now for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a curved line from the bottom towards the top. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Let's close off the top of the mouth now. So from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then moving down on the bottom, we're going to replicate that, just making a nice big arch line. In the center for the tongue, we're going to curve this line over. And then to the right of that, we'll replicate that one more time. Let's close off the top of the head now. So over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a nice big dome. So we're going to curve this line all the way up and then down on the right-hand side. And now let's draw in our eyes. So to the right of the nose, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for our right eye. And then we'll move over on the left-hand side, lining that up at the same height, and we will replicate that. On the left-hand corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a smaller oval. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now from here for the eyebrows, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right on both sides. Let's draw in a fin on the top of the head now. So coming over on the left-hand side beside the top of our head, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the top left-hand corner. And now from that point, we're just going to continue to arch this line all the way around and then down on the right-hand side. Let's draw in our left arm now. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side underneath our chin, and we're going to curve this line around and then out. On the bottom, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then up towards the side. Moving up above beside the cheek, we're going to curve this back around and up, ending that at the same distance. Now from here, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right, connecting that together. In the center here, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. Let's move down now. We're going to draw in a curved line from the bottom, arching that in towards the top. Step across again, replicating that, arching that in, and then back up. Let's draw on the torso now. So stepping across on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. Now from here on the bottom line, we're going to continue to arch this line all the way around and up towards the top. In the center, stepping down, we're going to draw in a small circle. On the top now, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come in towards the middle. And then we'll close that off on the top with a straight line. Let's come down on the right-hand side, drawing a diagonal line that comes out. We'll do the same thing on the left. And then we'll bring another diagonal line that comes out on both sides. From here, let's bring that diagonal line in towards the middle. Again, we're going to bring in another line that comes out. We'll bring another diagonal line down towards the bottom. And then now from here, we're just going to bring another diagonal line in. In the center, we're going to bring another diagonal line that meets in at the center at a point. And then we'll close that off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. For the necklace now, we're just going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes up towards the chin on the left and right-hand side. And now in the center, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the legs now. So from the middle, we're going to curve this line over and out for the left. And then starting at that point, we're going to curve this over and out for the right, ending that on a diagonal. To the right of that, we're going to curve this line all the way over and up on the right. And then on the bottom, we're going to arch this line all the way over and out on the left. From here, we're going to connect this line up towards our arm. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up, connecting that in the corner. And then to the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then up, connecting that where the stomach is. Now from here, we're going to continue to extend this curved line across on the left-hand side. Coming down our leg now, we're going to draw in another curved line. Let's move over on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's step down again, leaving an even amount of space. Drawing another curved line on both legs. Let's draw in the right arm. So from the chin here, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. And then from the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. Let's draw in a curved line from left to right. And then let's step up again and replicate that one more time. Now let's draw in our tail. So starting behind on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom, arching that through. And then we're going to draw in an arch line, curving that up and then over. Let's come in and draw the behind of the tail now. So we're going to curve this line up. Moving down, leaving a nice even gap. We'll replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's draw in a curved line from left to right, bringing that down. For the side of the tail on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then to the left of this, we're going to come in behind the cheek. So we're going to curve this in towards our cheek. And then moving in behind that, we're just going to continue to arch that line around and then up. From the point now, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line in towards the center. And then from that point again, we're just going to curve this line around and then up on the right. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, leaving a small gap. And then from that point, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line. To the right of this, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then moving down on the left-hand side on a diagonal, we will replicate that. Now let's move in and draw in another arch line from left to right. And then one more time, we will replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw SharkyBot, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.